Margin of safety may be defined as the difference between actual sales and the sales at break-even point. Sales minus break-even point is margin of safety. Margin of safety can be calculated by using these two formulas. One is with the help of PV ratio. So margin of safety is equal to profit divided by PV ratio. Another one is divided profit by contribution per unit. Profit divided by contribution per unit. So with the help of PV ratio and the margin of safety, so we can calculate profit. Profit is equal to margin of safety into PV ratio. See, margin of safety is the difference between the actual sales and the break-even point. In other words, it is the amount by which actual volume of sales exceeds the break-even point. The size of the margin of safety indicates soundness of the business. Margin of safety is directly related to the business. Margin of safety indicates the profit margin. It is related to profit. This is the example for the calculation of margin of safety. See, here actual sales in units given 4000 units, break-even point 2500 units. See, here margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break-even point. 4000 minus 2500. See, margin of safety is 1500 units. In this example, PV ratio is given, that is 40%, and profit is rupees 35,000. So here you can calculate margin of safety. Divide the profit by PV ratio. Profit by PV ratio. So what is the profit? 35,000. 40%. So this is the 40%. So calculate 40%, 35,000 by 0.40. So what is the amount? 87,500. In this example, contribution per unit is given, that is 20, and profit 15,000. We calculate the margin of safety. Divide the profit by contribution per unit. $15,000 is the profit. Contribution per unit is the 20 per unit. So if you divide the profit from contribution per unit, you will get the answer in units. Okay. 750 units. In this question, the profits and sales of 2 years are given, and the question is asking to calculate the PV ratio. So we can calculate the PV ratio by comparing the profits with the sales. So that's the formula for the calculation of PV ratio is change in profit by change in sales. Change in profit, that is 45,000 minus 18,000. Sales 9 lakh minus 8 lakh 10,000. So see the difference. 45,000 minus 18,000. 27,000. So 9 lakh minus 8 lakh 10,000. So if you multiply with the 100%, so you get the rate in percentage. In this question, the sales and profits of 2 years are given, and the question is asked to calculate PV ratio. Let us calculate the PV ratio. So PV ratio is equal to change in profit divided by change in sales. See, profit 45,000 minus 20,000 divided by 9 lakh minus 8 lakh 10,000. 27,000 divided by 9 lakh minus 8 lakh 10,000 is equal to 90,000. If you multiply with 100, you will get a 30% is the PV ratio. Next question is calculation of margin of safety at a profit of rupees 72,000. So when the profit is given for the calculation of margin of safety, so divide the profit from the PV ratio, because we already calculated the PV ratio. Then calculate margin of safety is equal to profit by PV ratio. See, profit is 72,000, PV ratio is 30%. Then calculate the margin of safety. 2,40,000 is the margin of safety. In this question, the profits and sales of 2 years are given, and the question is asked to calculate PV ratio. So we can calculate PV ratio by comparing 2 years profits with sales of 2 years. See, the formula for the calculation of PV ratio is PV ratio is equal to change in profit divided by change in sales. See, profits of 2 years, 25,000 minus 20,000. Sales of 2017 is 1,70,000. 2016 1,50,000. 5,000 divided by 20,000. So if you multiply the answer with 100%, so you will get the answer in percentage. 25% is the PV ratio. Next question is calculate margin of safety at a profit of rupees 1,25,000. So in order to calculate margin of safety, so divide this profit by PV ratio. So with the help of PV ratio, you can calculate the sales. See, margin of safety is equal to profit by PV ratio. So profit is 1,25,000 divided by PV ratio 25%. So calculate the margin of safety. Rupees 5 lakh is the margin of safety.